Welcome. Wow, look at that. Transfer text into virtual experiences. Let's check it out, what it is, and see text to spaces. Click on it. Let's see what it is. It's going to do. It's saying turn the spaces into conference room and big table. Okay, so it's doing something. Okay, it's moving things around. It's making into a conference room. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh my God. Another room behind the wall. So you're looking at straight at the wall. Now it's telling make another room there, and now it's going to open up corridor. Wow, with glass. Interesting. Oh, this is a crazy. An event room with multiple rows and columns of design. Holy, really? This is absolutely insane. This is called VASI. Cost effective, text to space, data driven, automate, scalable, prototyping. It's a lot of actually thing. Not only 3D, create interactive experiences of any kind from product configuration and events to escape room, letterboards, treasure hunts, and more. Wow. Join the waiting list is still in the beta, hasn't been come out, but this is actually insane. Wow. I love it. I have submit my request for join the wait list, and hopefully I get soon. Then I love to play with 3D side of a thing. Crazy. Absolutely love it. Great stuff.